Page 37. Words to know. Predator. An animal who eats other animals or plants. Did you know some sea stars can lose one of their arms and that arm can grow into a whole new organism? Ooh. Fish eggs. Fish eggs are soft and squishy and look like they have clear jelly inside. Various species of fish eggs develop differently. The most common is when the eggs grow and develop outside the mom's body, the way birds' eggs do. Also, like birds, babies get their food from the yolk inside the egg. But unlike birds, who look like little adults, fish look like little tadpoles when they hatch. After a short time in this stage, they change and start looking like an adult fish of their species. Another way fish can develop is when the eggs hatch and continue developing inside the mom's body. Again, they use the yolk for nutrition. When they're born, they're past the tadpole stage and already like small versions of their species. Guppies and some shark species develop this way. The question I'm asking on this page is, what is a predator?